Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript tutorial on freeCodeCamp. There's also the greater than or equal operator. And this is the syntax for it. And it compares the left to the right. And if the left is greater than 6 or also equal to 6, we return true. If it would have been just greater than 6, we would have returned false for this one. And for this next example, 7 is greater than or equal to the string of 3, which says true. So it doesn't take into account data types. And then this will be false. And then the string of 7 is greater than or equal to 9, which is false. So for this exercise, it wants us to add the greater than or equal to operator to the indicated line so that the return statement makes sense. So here we want to return 20 or over. So we do greater than or equal to 20. And now on this line, this example, we do greater than or equal to 10. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.